Okay, welcome to the fall 2020 semester of Organic Chemistry 1, CHE 255. This is my introduction. My name is Matt Donahue. I'm the instructor for this course. So I'm going to give a couple slides about my background and why I'm qualified to teach this class. So I was born and raised in Kenosha, Wisconsin, as seen on this Google Maps here. It's about a 930-mile drive. Sort of directly north of Hattiesburg, Mississippi. So how did I end up in Hattiesburg, Mississippi? You might be wondering. So I earned my bachelor's degree at the University of Wisconsin-Parkside, which is located in Kenosha, Wisconsin. From there, I did my doctorate degree at The Ohio State University. I finished a postdoc at Vanderbilt University. And then I got my first job when I was 31 years old, working for Wyeth Research and Development in Pearl River, New York. So I stayed there for a couple years before Pfizer took over and I was Pfizered. So basically, after that, I took a temporary position at the pharmaceutical company Boehringer Ingelheim. I worked there for about a year. And after that, I took a permanent position at Janssen Research and Development in Springhouse, Pennsylvania, which is Janssen is the pharmaceutical company of Johnson & Johnson. So you've heard of Johnson & Johnson. It's a very large company. So in 2013, the opportunity arose to take a teaching and research position here at USM, which I moved down here in August of 2013. So I've been here 7 years. Last year, I was recently promoted to associate professor with tenure. And so what I do here at USM is threefold. In addition to teaching classes like this, I also run a research group and I do service work for the university. So let me give you a brief sort of overview of what I do aside from teaching. Simply put, I make small organic molecules that are hopefully biologically active. So here was my research group from the summer of 2019. So I have a graduate student, Gavin Rustin. I have a second graduate student, Emily Krull, who's not pictured. And I work with undergraduate students, so Clara Ellis, Sydney Boyd, and Caitlin Burkhoff were all in my organic classes at one point in time and subsequently joined my research group. So I work with students and we do research on small molecule synthesis. So in addition to that, I'm part of a collaboration with Dr. Jacques Kessel and Julie Pigza here at USM, along with Dr. Larry Yett at the University of South Alabama, and Dr. Wolfgang Kramer at Millsaps up in Jackson. And so all of us have a collective interest on studying an enzyme called HIV integrase, of which Dr. Kessel is the lead principal investigator. So with Kessel in the students and our collaborators involved, we have published a paper in 2018 on the synthesis of these small molecule quinolines as HIV integrase multimerization inhibitors. So as I mentioned, teaching is a very important part of my role here at the university. And I went through a 3-semester sequence in the Center for Faculty Development through the Association of College and University Educators, or ACU, basically learning how to engage college students in courses to make the experience more fulfilling. So with the transition online to COVID, that's going to be sort of a challenge, but I'm going to do my best to actively engage you all and increase participation even though we can't meet in person. So our course is going to be run primarily through Canvas, so you will find everything you need through Canvas. So in the next couple videos, what I'm going to do is a Canvas tour how to locate different things in Canvas, as well as a syllabus tour to explain the expectations for the class. So I look forward to a productive fall 2020 semester with you all. And again, I wish we could do this in person, but due to COVID, that's not going to happen this semester. So perhaps for 256 in the spring, maybe this will change and we can all meet in person then. Other than that, I look forward to meeting you all virtually. Take care.